Hi everyone, this is Annalise. Welcome back. Today I am going to do a bloom. They're my favorite. I'm starting with ColourArte Mayan Gold, and then ColourArte Mystic Blue, ColourArte Amber Wing. This one actually is really kind of cool. It makes a really awesome effect at the very end. ColourArte Love Struck, and ColourArte Fire and Ice. And I'm using my cell activator made with Amsterdam Lamp Black and Australian Floetrol. I've been asked a few times about my blower, and so I've included a link in the description so that you can see the blower. If you order one, make sure it's the orange one. I've heard the green one is not as good. Here I'm using my embossing tool, and because I've been asked a few times about it, I will leave a link in the description below where you can find one just like it. I love making the little petals with my embossing tool at the very end right before I spin. It always makes such an awesome flower effect. Here I'm scraping the spinner, and I'm using the excess paint to cover up any white spots. It's really helpful to go and do that. It also is helpful because your spinner's gonna fling paint everywhere, and it's best to use that paint while you can. I needed to do some bubble popping. This is another amazing use for the embossing tool. If you do get an embossing tool, make sure you get one that has it has a fine tip on it, but also usually they're double-sided. The other side, try to get a little bit of a thicker tip, just because it's really nice to have some variety and some options when you're working on stuff. You can do a lot of fixing of little imperfections using that embossing tool. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, friends, have a great afternoon, evening, morning, whenever you're watching this. Have a great day.